Hey guys, good morning. Hope you're all doing well. We're going to be going over rock bottom crypto predictions today. Some of you guys are like, man, interest rates going up, gas prices going up. Everyone with their discretionary income, is taking their money out of crypto. I don't blame you. I do think that's part of what's happening here. So let's go over the absolute rock bottoms. Now, none of this is guaranteed to happen. We could start flying up from here and we could never hit any of these three buy limits that I'm about to show you guys. I'm going to go over this on the top 8 coins. I've been heavily investing in these top 8 here. I'll show this to you guys right over here. I've got what's called a hold account, and I've been piling up on this, guys. I've been buying this up, and I've got a lot of money sitting at buy limits that are lower than where the market currently is at. So I want to show that to you guys today. I released this to our inside members yesterday, so you guys were able to get in before anyone else. That's just something we like to do. If you guys want to become a member, I won't make this too long. Come over here, click on the pricing, $95 a month. You'll get access to all of our metrics, which we won't go over too much today because I want to just go over buy limits pretty much. Telegram access for all the trades that we're calling out, which currently we've been able to call out 36% profit from the market since May 18th for scalping trades, and we're currently in a DOT trade at the moment as well. So make sure you guys are taking a look at those. And last but not least, guys, our 4th of July indicator sell that we've literally used. If we win DOT, that's going to be 40% profit pulled out of the market since May 18th, which is averaging over 0.65% a day. It's pretty stinking awesome. And all of our indicators right now, they're on sale in the bundle pack. This is the lowest price we will ever have. So depending on when you're watching this video, you guys have about 48 hours left to snag this, and we're going to be upping the price on Friday. Okay, you guys ready? All that out of the way, giving you guys the good stuff. We're going to be using these indicators, so we're going to be talking about them today. So I wanted to start off with that. All right, we're on the daily time frame here. Here's what I want to go over. I just want to go over through Bitcoin down to AVAX. We've got other coins here. I don't have enough time to cover all of them, but let's go over these, and I'll cover this for you guys. Targets, 15,100. We've got 10,550 and 5,555. Okay, these are correlated to very strong structure supports in the market. We can see this over here, that 10,000 is going to be a very strong hold number that a lot of people are going to look to buy in. Here's the deal, guys. You need to understand how exchanges work. You guys, it's like, think of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory here, where there's golden tickets being sent around to people. And the price, if it does crash here and then shoots back up, the price is only going to be favorable for those people who have buy limits already set up in their exchanges. Okay, those of you guys who are trying to rush into this price when it's down here and the price moves back up, you're not going to be filled at the same price, or maybe at all compared to other people. This is why I like to spend a good amount of time looking at this far in advance before we get here. Like, I literally have a buy limit set up at 5,555 just in case Doomsday scenario happens and we crash all the way down there. I will be fulfilled more than anybody else, and our members as well as you guys now. You guys can set this up. I'm not a financial advisor, but my personal suggestion is, look to set up some buy limits before you get to the place where you think it's going to crash. Okay, let's take a look at Ethereum here. I'm going to sprinkle this in here as well, guys. The next spot, I think we're going to see the biggest move back up in crypto. So two things. We're going to look at the drop zones, but we're going to look at the biggest move back up. It is simply this, guys. There's not a single indicator out there that is better than the trend exhaustion, and we literally have a team of coders trying to beat this indicator right now. It sounds funky, but literally, I'm not kidding. We literally do. So here's the deal, guys. On the daily time frame, when this white line pushes down to the bottom red section again, you really need to be watching for the next jump. The last time we got down here, this literally was I'll bring out the crosshairs here so you guys can see this. Literally calling the bottom over here in crypto before we started seeing the moves back up. Previous time before that, all the way at the bottom, we saw this wick value down here, and then we saw the move back up. So this indicator down here is showing you guys, hey, the next time we move down here, that might be the last and final time we see any type of move back down and then a move back up. That's going to be a very good place to grab crypto right at the bottom here. It's held true so many times calling the bottoms of crypto, and I want you guys to be watching for this. Pair this with well money flow. If both of these are low, showing that wells are selling, as well as the trend structure is oversold, that is where you guys need to be looking for the moves back up. Okay, it's held true so many times in the market, and this is how we've been able to actually take our scalping trades and do so well, is because we're using these to time the markets really low and take profit. Okay, let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum, I have buy limit set up at 875. I have 510 just to get us just above the big quarters theory level. You've got 225, you've got 500, and then you've got 725. Excuse me, 750. So let me start over here. 250, 500, and then you've got 750. Okay, those are the quarters theory levels. I want to get in just above $500 because I think everyone and their mother's going to try to get down here at $500 here, and I want to get in a little bit higher. So that's why I'm doing that. It's also correlated to some nice structure supports here, as well as these areas over here. I spent meticulous time, guys, going through and looking at these prices. So I just want to let you guys have these if you would like to. ADA, what I'm looking at here, let's go back over to, we actually have to go to USD. Let's come over to Binance. Take a look at this. I've got buy limits set up at 17 cents. I've got it set up at 6.2 cents. You guys can see here that I'm getting in just around this zone here. And then I'm also going to be getting in before we hit structure support if we ever even get down here. We may never hit these areas, guys. Again, people in the comments might be like, you know what? I knew we were crashing. No, you don't know for a fact that we're going to crash. We could actually just head straight up from here. And all this money is just sitting in cash over here. But here's the decision I decided to make. I said, you know what? What do you want to do? Would you rather put all of your cash in right now and hope that it goes up? Or would you rather get some of the most crazy rock bottom prices in crypto if you believe crypto has a future and ride this up in the future? Okay? The amount of money you guys are going to be making, all of us we're going to be making, I'm going to be making, if we actually get tagged in down here and hold, is huge, guys. It is absolutely huge. And I think crypto's here to stay. Let me show you guys Mana. Mana down here is sitting at 53 cents above the quarters theory level of 53. So we've got 20, 25 cents, 50 cents, 75 cents, $1. So I got in here just above 75, which I have a buy limit set up here. Got one at 53 cents, which is close to these structure supports here. And then I've got one sitting above 25 cents, which I wanted to get above that. So we've got the quarters theory level 25, so I'm in at 27. Again, I want everybody to be watching this. When trend exhaustion white line pushes in the bottom red section here, while money flow is low, that is a great time to look for the next move back up in the next scalping trade. Okay, real quickly, here's how you guys set that alert up so you guys can understand this. Once you have the indicator, load it on your chart, do this, and I will be covering the rest of these. Just want to show you guys how to do this real quick. Come over here, trend exhaustion. You want to do watch for pump. You can do watch for drop as well. Watch for pump once per bar. And then for this example, we're going to do mana, and we're going to do watch for pump. I'm going to change this out to say pump. Okay, and that's it. Now, when this white line goes into the bottom red section here, this is when you guys are going to be able to get an alert for the market to reverse back up. And I'm doing this on a lot of coins right now, as you can see the alerts over here, because I'm watching this carefully, because we may be at the absolute bottom here, and I don't want to miss this. And you guys shouldn't want to miss it either, okay? This is how you make back all the money that we're down. Everyone's down right now. So, you know what? This is how we do our due diligence and actually get into the market and make our money back, is by setting things up and getting prepared for the next bull run, okay? So, I have 3 buy limits in here for Doge. I'm in at 5.3 cents, I'm in at 3 cents, and then I'm at 1.5 cents. Okay, 1.5 cents correlates to the structure here. I want to get above this, and then we've got 3 cents here. 3 cents is just one of those areas where I'm like, you know what? It's between 1 cent and 5. I don't think 2 cents everyone's going to try to get in there. I want to get in at an odd spot of 3 cents because I don't think people are going to be looking at that level too much. And I'd rather get in at a level that there's not a lot of competition. Well, now there's going to be a little bit more because people are watching this video, but all of you guys who are members and you are actually entering these in today, if you would like, you're going to be the first one in the exchange. You guys understand this goes in sequential order. So, all the members that were part of our membership here, you guys got in first, okay? All your buy limits got in. People who are watching this YouTube channel, so we got YouTube, you guys are going to be getting in with your buy limits today if you so choose, okay? Sorry, this is doing this a little weird here. Then you've got all the last minute traders in here that are going to try to get all of their orders in, which is probably going to be, when the price gets down to about this area. And then you've got the market orders in at the last second because they're going to try to get filled. All of us, we're getting filled first, guaranteed, because the order book is going to fulfill us first because of when the orders were placed. It's not going to say, oh, hey, here's a hedge fund who's got a ton of money. We're going to place them first. No. That's not how it works. You get in sooner, like I'm showing you guys now. We will get picked up before everybody else when the market does go down there, okay? It really does. That's how it works, guys. It favors those who prepare themselves before things happen. Okay, DOT. This is one of our scalping trades, by the way, guys. And we're getting very close to getting into profit, so definitely be watching that. I'll be calling that out for you guys. Okay, DOT, this is kind of hard to see. I apologize for that. I want to make things transparent here to show you guys. I'm at 561 for this. I want to get us just above the 550 level. Again, a lot of quarters theory going on there. Banks love the trade around quarters theory. 358, again, quarters theory level above 350, and then I'm above the quarters theory at 125, which is 127 here. Again, guys, I don't think this price is going to get hit. I don't think so. I highly doubt this is even going to get hit at all either. But again, I just want it down there just in case. Now, SHIB, I've been buying tens of million worth of SHIB, but let's be honest, guys, it's 0.00000 5 zeros and then 78. So here are my 3 buy limits for SHIB. Again, I'm going to say this over and over and over again, guys. The absolute best places to buy crypto. Excuse me one second. Pull my chair up. The absolute best places to buy crypto are going to be when trend exhaustion is in the bottom red section, right here. That's where you guys want to be watching. Last time it got down here, do you guys see what happened? It literally called the bottom of crypto and it saw it move up here. Look at the percentage that you guys could have made on here. Just getting in at these bottom prices here. That was probably terrible. A price I could have gone a little bit lower, but nobody got in at the bottom anyway. So this is actually more realistic, and no one got out at the top either. So I would say about 35 to 38% that this indicator called over here. That's pretty good, guys. It's pretty stinking amazing. So I'm getting over here, again, above the strong level of 500. I'm coming in at 525. And then this one, I did just put at 150. I don't think it's going to hit, but if we're going to go down here this far, I want to get as close to 100 as possible. Because if you get 100, guys, and that just compounds over and over and over as it heads back up, oh, guys, there's so much money to be made in this market if we do tank. I'm almost like kind of rooting this market to crash now. If you guys can see why, like if we actually do hit these levels, the amount of money that you're going to be making for yourself, your family, that Ferrari you always wanted to buy, that Lambo, these are Lambo dreams down here if we can actually hit down here. But I know it's been rough, so I'm kind of joking a little bit here. But for those of you guys who can see the smart money looks to buy the dip. Okay, let's go over AVX and then we can close this up here. So AVX, I'm actually in at 1228. So I definitely want to get in here. I want to get above this shelving off right here. I think a lot of people here's the deal. A lot of people look at charts. It's like, well, obviously. And they look at charts, but they look at the structure, supports, and resistance on charts. And this actually, aids in people of where they put their buy limits and where they market order in. So I want to get in before we actually get back down to this, little heartbeat, little seismic wave over here. So I'm in at 1228, and then I'm over here in just above quarters theory of 450, so I'm at 452. And then I think a lot of people are going to try to get in at $2. We're not, I don't care about this wick value down. This is way too low. I don't think we're ever going to hit this ever on Avalanche. But I want to get down here. Just be prepared, guys. I'm looking for this. Like some of these moves in the market, you need to understand this. I'm looking for this wick down here that lasts 3 seconds. And it comes down and tags us in, and then it moves straight back up. Like, those are the once-in-a-lifetime opportunities. And guys, there is no possible way. There's no possible way any of you listening to my voice right now, none of you can time this without a buy limit. None of you. You have to be sitting at your computer every single second of every single day. You cannot sleep one bit. You have to be watching this if you want to try to time this, okay? So the only way to take advantage of literally these jackpot trades where sometimes the market can just absolutely like skyrocket down here with a wick value and then it shoots straight back up. I know this is a daily time frame, so that's really fast, but it is with buy limits only, okay? It's only with buy limits. So that's part of the reason why I want to show this to you guys, okay? Again, indicator calling this really well. So just want to give you guys those predictions of where I think, and not only predictions, I literally have money at every single one of those buy limits I just showed you guys in this account over here, which has $50,000. So I'll actually show you guys the ones that are open. Like everything is open here. All for Bitcoin, all for Ethereum, all for AVX, just goes all the way down here. And just a bunch of buy limits, just a ton of buy limits. Opened these 5 days ago and such. So I've got a lot of trades open right now. Last but not least, guys, again, just pay attention to the trend exhaustion. That's the best thing I can tell you guys. It's just watch the bottom red section over here. Again, I showed this to you guys already, but the indicators, snag them. I got an extra $50 off for you guys. This is our Black Friday sale that we ran last year. We like keeping things transparent on here. It's just the best price we will ever have for indicators. We won't ever drop the price below this price that you guys are getting. So just know that when you snag this today, when you guys are grabbing this because it's on sale, just know that it feel good that we'll never have it lower than this price. If anything, we're going to actually up the bundle pack because we may be looking to add 1 or 2 more indicators. Nothing's final yet. I'm working on some things in the background, but we've got some really fun things planned for the rest of the year that we're working really, really hard on right now. So everybody who has their membership, you guys will be rewarded. I'll just say that. You guys will be rewarded for everyone who has a membership. And I know it's been a hard market, but we've got some pretty amazing things we're working on right now. I had a huge team meeting yesterday, and I think you guys are going to like this. So indicators, make sure you guys snag those. The membership is over here. All the trade calls, all the scalping stuff, guys, we will call every single one of those trades out in Telegram. That's the 36% we've called out since May 18th, which has been awesome. All the masterclasses, the community chat you get to talk to other members about, all of the crazy money-making tips I can give you guys of any trades that we enter into. And then every single month we go live And we will be putting out a Zoom link here soon for the month of July. All the metrics over here, if you guys want to take a look at this with your membership, you get access to all these. This will show you guys if money's moving in or out of your coin to show the confidence level, long versus short trades based off volume, if long trades are higher than short trades of volume. And this is a crazy chart down here, the most accurate indicator we've coded that actually shows you guys the percentage chance of a reversal in crypto. When you get to 80, 90, 100% up here, look, this is basically almost hit 100% up here, calling the absolute top of crypto. Getting down here basically 99%, calling the move back up in crypto. Literally the whole bull market cycle was called with that. And then this had a huge wick value down here, calling the move back up. Most powerful metric you guys will use, and it's coded with percentages in here. So you guys get that for every single one of our coins, as well as you guys are going to be able to get all of the entries and the buy limits for our strategy. So I love you guys. Have an amazing day. Everything you guys need is in the description, and I will see you guys later. Bye, guys.